Boiled chicken review. Okay, I just licked it. Isn't too bad. Oh, boiled chicken review. We're gonna experience the true diarrhea. The devil's brown. There'll be more diarrhea than a stereotypical Indian street. That's a stereotype, but still. My blood. I'm gonna give myself anal pain. I'm gonna go through the hemorrhoids. I'm just gonna eat my routine, that's it.